everybody, Yoga Therapy Thursday coming at you. Today I'm going to talk about the pelvis. The pelvis is our center. It is our root system, part of our foundation, pelvis, legs, and feet. I'm going to use a prop today to help you organize and orient yourself. When your center is off, everything else is off. So I have with me a clock. And I'm going to use the metaphor of using your pelvis like a clock. So instead of orienting this way, we're going to turn the clock this way, okay? So 12 o'clock will be the pubic bone, which is in the front, where the front halves of the pelvis will come together. 3 o'clock will be your right hip. The coccyx behind you is 6 o'clock, and the left hip would be 9 o'clock. And if you keep organizing and orienting yourself on this clock face, you will be available to yourself and you will be in the middle of yourself without overloading or compensating or going into your habit. So let's say you have you're tight on one side of the body. If you do things, like shoveling, for example. I did a lot of shoveling this morning. If you play an asymmetrical sport like golf or tennis or even something like bowling, something you do again and again and again can throw that center off. And then you'll be heavy at a certain hour of the clock, and then you won't be available to the opposite of that. So keep thinking that you're gonna be on that clock face, the pubic bone forward, the right hip at 3 o'clock, the coccyx at 6 o'clock, and the left hip at 9 o'clock, and you come all the way around. When you're doing asymmetrical poses, it's really gonna be helpful for you to think about that. So when you're in, let's say, a lunge, or you're gonna do a twist. Am I too close to the camera? You're gonna do a twist. You don't wanna be heavy on that right side. That would be turning the clock this way, or hanging out that way. So keep thinking that you are in the middle, and then you're gonna be able to be available in your upper body and be in a strong foundation in your pelvis, your legs, your ankles, and your feet. We'll talk more about this as the weeks go on. Have a great day.